Hey everybody, welcome back to another video, and in this video I want to show you how you can connect your DJI Action Cam number 4 along with the DJI Mic 2. So the cool part about this setup is that if you are vlogging or if you are using a wireless mic along with your Action Cam 4, you can actually connect the DJI Mic 2 with this without having to separately go into Final Cut Pro and plug in the microphone to the computer or to your editing software and try to match up all the audio that's on file. So it's so cool that you can do this on both DJI products, and let me show you how you guys can connect this. So the first thing that you gotta do is make sure that on your DJI Mic 2 is you turn this puppy on. On the side here, just make sure you have that on button. So turn that on. And then what you have to do next is you have to go to the settings on your Action Cam 4. And then when you go into the settings, you want to find where it says wireless mic. Click on that. And then you want to click on TX. And then it will have instructions on what you got to do in order to connect it. So all you have to do is press and hold this recording indicator until it turns solid blue. Okay, and then you want to hold and connect the connection indicator, and then it'll say wireless mic connected, just like that. And then what you'll hear, just hit confirm, and when you are talking, you can see the audio go up and down. When you are going back to the video, the cool part about it is that once when this is turned on, you can hear the audio up top and it's moving left and right. Press the record button. It's going to record the audio itself on the microphone, but it will also record on the camera without you having to press record on the mic. So that's it. That's pretty cool. I want to show you guys how you can do this on your DJI Mic 2 along with the Action Cam 4. If you guys have any questions or any concerns, please leave a comment down below in the comment box, or if you want to pick up one of these bad boys, check my link down in the description below. That way you can buy yourself a DJI Mic 2 along with the Action Cam 4 as well. But until next time guys, I will see you all in the next video. Peace.